Neglecting scalp massage contributes to hair fall and inhibits hair growth. Regular scalp massage with a silicone brush is essential to maintain the scalp's optimal health. Neglecting scalp massage disrupts the scalp's natural balance, leading to decreased blood circulation and buildup of debris, that is dirt, increased stress, reduced sebum production, and limited product absorption. These factors collectively contribute to hair fall and discourage healthy hair growth over time and promoting robust hair growth. So to increase hair growth and decrease the hair fall, massage scalp gently with a silicone brush. Pour some hair oil on the silicone brush. Brush the hair from top to downwards. Move the brush from left to right. Apply gentle pressure as you move. Massage for 5 to 10 minutes to reap the full benefits. The gentle massage action of the silicone brush stimulates blood flow to the scalp, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to the hair follicles. This increased circulation promotes hair growth by encouraging healthier follicle function. The bristles of the silicone brush loosen and remove buildup such as dead skin cells, excess oil, product residue, and dirt from the scalp. A clean scalp is essential for hair growth as it prevents clogged follicles and allows new hair to emerge more quickly. Massaging the scalp with a silicone brush enhances the absorption of hair growth promoting products such as oils and serums. The massage action helps to distribute these products evenly across the scalp, ensuring maximum effectiveness. The gentle pressure from the silicone brush stimulates the sebaceous glands in the scalp, which are responsible for producing sebum. Proper sebum production helps to moisturize the scalp and hair, promoting overall hair health and growth. Incorporating scalp massage with a silicone scalp massaging brush into your hair care routine is a beneficial way to support healthy hair growth and to maintain a clean, balanced scalp environment. Once you have completed the massage, put a bun and let the oil sit in for 5 to 10 minutes. Then shampoo your hair as usual. After each use, rinse the massager in running tap water and mild soap to remove any residue. I will leave the silicone brush link in the description box. Do share this video with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Beauty Made Easy awesomeness. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.